In this video, I'm going to show you a easy pocket option strategy that you can start to use profitably right after watching this video. So watch this video very carefully, and I only ask one thing in return from you, just to like this video. And if you have any questions regarding this video, then ask me in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite, OTC currency pair favorite, okay, so that it appears at here. Once you do this much, just click on these candles and select this candle and make it up as 5. So all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now another thing you need to do is you need to make this, if it is flag at here, make it clock and select S5 as your trading time frame. Now your trading time frame is also going to be a 5 seconds. Remember that it is an easy pocket option strategy. So watch this video very carefully. Okay, it is extremely easy, this strategy. Now we are going to show you practically. I'm not going to make any edits in this video, and we are going to make 8 trades of $200 each. In one trade we are going to invest $200. Okay, so the strategy is extremely simple. You just need to click on this indicator and put parabolic SAR indicator at here. You just need to click on it and it will be applied at your chart. And you can click on this pencil icon and you can see this is the default setting of parabolic SAR and it's fine. You don't need to make any changes to this setting. Once you do this much, now decide how much you want to invest in each trade, okay? And then understand this strategy. Whenever these parabolic SAR dots are below the chart, below the candles, and whenever this second dot is about to form, okay, at that, let's say if it is 1 second, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Whenever the parabolic SAR dots are below the candle and whenever this second dot is forming, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. And whenever this parabolic SAR dot are above the candle and whenever the second dot is forming, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Now not all of your trades are going to go right, but maximum of the time, maximum of your trades can go right. So it is worth trying this strategy. So watch very carefully. So if it is 1 second, I'm going to make trade by clicking on higher. So here you can see second dot have formed. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher, and we made a profit of $184. Now the purpose of putting all of these charts at here is like you can easily switch these charts so that you can find that kind of entry. You just need to keep on switching so that you can get the entry. You can do it slowly, but I need to do it in a little bit express way. So we have made one trade and that was profitable. Here you can see there was second dot. If we had made trade by clicking on lower, most probably we could have made profit at here. So let's keep on finding for the good entry according to this easiest strategy. Don't forget to like this video. So one dot have formed, another dot had formed, but we made trade a little bit late, okay? And however, if we had made trade exactly in 1 second, then also our trade, this trade could have gone in loss. So no worries, this kind of thing happened. One win, one loss. We have made 2 trades in all together. So let's keep on finding for more places where we can make the trade. Let's see. There you can see there was a second dot and here you could have made profit. Same thing here, second dot is here. In this candle you could have made profit. So let's keep on finding. And it can be a little bit hard to find the entry point, okay, but it's worth switching and searching. Here you can see in second dot you could have made profit in this candle. So here you can see it is 58%. So I'm going to remove this chart. Okay, so let's again go to the start. Now one more thing you can do is you can add more chart, like it is paying 92%, make it favorite, 90%, 90%, make it favorite so that it appears above at here. Okay, so you can also search below. If there are some low payout, you can remove it from your favorite in this way. So let's again start to search for our entry point according to this GS strategy. So lots of other people who have learned this strategy with the help of my video are making trades with this strategy and they are making profit. Here you can see there was a second dot and this trade was profitable if we could have made it in time. Sometimes we miss these kind of trades and we miss our profit also. Here you can see second dot have formed and here you could have made profit. So let's keep on finding. So while making this video, I sometimes get irritated because of the entry point that I don't get while switching this currency. Here you can see here you could have made trade, okay, and it could have gone in loss. Sometimes missing this kind of trade is good for you. So let's keep on searching. Here you can see second dot have formed. Here you could have lost. So you, because you have delayed or you couldn't get the entry in time, that's why you are saved. You didn't make any loss. So don't regret about making profit and loss at the exact entry point. When you will get here, you can see you could have made trade at here and you could have made profit. So let's keep on finding instead of talking. So again, let's switch to first. So these are 5-second candles. Okay, so everything like keeps on happening fast. So we need to move a little bit fast. Here you can see I could have made trade at here, but a little bit delay had happened. But anyway, we have made profit in this trade. So 3 trades were made. So let's, here we missed it and it was good for us because we could have made a loss. Okay, so 3 trades were made. So let's keep on finding. So I'm not going to make any edit to this video so that you can be assured that this strategy actually works and you can test it in your demo account, and then if you think it is good for you, then you can also use it in your real account. That's your choice. Okay, so your second dot I found, if you had made trade at here, then we could have gone in loss. So let's keep on finding. Yes, one, and at 1 second I made another trade, and let's see what happens in this. And we are in profit. So like 4 trades were made. I think 3 trades were profitable, one was lost, or I forgot the count. But anyways, will keep on searching, and here you can see second dot have formed. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower, and this trade went in loss. Okay, these kind of things happen. So let's keep on finding for more. Can make the trade one dot, sorry, one, I mean second dot was about to form, that's why we made a trade and we made loss in this. So let's check how much trade we have made. Like 2, 3 loss, 3 in profit, right? 3 trades were profitable, 3 trades were loss. 6 trades we have made till now. Here we could have made profit and this could have also gone in loss. Thank God we avoided it. So let's keep on finding. Now we have more 3 trades to go, which will decide either we are going to be profitable or not. So let's keep on finding. Your second dot have found. We missed this trade and that is good for us. Sometimes one more thing, okay, sometimes what happens when you are checking the chart, you see lots of time you could have gone in loss. At that type of timing, you just avoid making trades. Okay, that is also one good strategy to keep in mind. If lots of trades are going in opposite direction while second dot is forming, at that time it's better to avoid the trade. Okay, so let's keep on finding. Here you can see there was second dot and it was profitable trade. For more currency pair, here we could have gone in profit. This kind of analysis you make time to time. Okay, here also you could have gone in profit. So if you are seeing these kind of results at that time, if you find a good entry at any chart, you can take trade. Okay, here you can see you could have gone in loss. keep on making analysis in your brain of these kind of results. Okay, we are not getting any entry right now. Okay, here we could have got an entry, and yes, we got an entry at here, but again this trade went in opposite direction and we made a loss. So let's keep on finding for more. Now two trades are remaining. However, you can notice that even after making 7 trades, my account is not in too much loss. Okay, we made a trade at here because second dot have formed, and we made a profit at here. Now one more trade to go. Okay, so let's see. Now I think that trade will decide whether we are going to be profitable or in loss. Like I made like 8 trades. Okay, but we are not in any sorts of loss with this strategy. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 trades were loss, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades were right. At the time, this strategy has an accuracy rate of 50%. That is also a good thing. Okay, so let's see where we can make the next trade. Let's see. A second dot I found, and here we could have gone in loss. I think this video had given you a good knowledge on how you can use this strategy. 1 second, and we made a trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so let's see what happens in this trade. And this was a draw trade. Okay, neither profit nor loss. Here you can see we have got a refund of $200.